Hi, everyone. I wanted to share one pair of biomagnetism magnets with you today, and it's a really important pair. So, where you would place it, and I'm in Canada, I always leave my magnets on for 30 minutes. That's it. But you're going to take your south or positive polarity, and it goes on one side right here, and then the north or the negative side is going to go on the right side facing the body. Okay, so left side of the body, you're positive or south facing, and on the right side of the body, you're going to have your negative or your north polarity. Okay, and it's going to be placed right here. That is called pole pole. And if you could just picture, we had goats growing up, so it's easy for me to picture this. But where their horns come out and grow, that's also what's called pole pole. So this is for, I'm just going to read out of my manual here: vertical balance, anxiety, dyslexia, stuttering, not being able to pronounce the letter R. Isn't that interesting?